Hello my friends on the channel Lace Art Crochet. I would like to propose crocheting such a beautiful motif together. I took cotton yarn and hook number 1. My name is Irina and we are starting. Let's go. Crochet 5 chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and connect this chain into a ring with slip stitch. Then 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 double crochet into the third stitch. All of loops remain on the hook, and 1 double crochet into the ring, and all of loops crocheting into 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 single crochets into this first arch. 1, 2, 3, and 3 single crochets into the second arch. 1, 2, 3, and 1 single crochet into the ring. We have a petal. The pattern is repeated. Go around and crocheted second, third, and fourth petals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain, double crochet into the third stitch, and repeat. When 4 petals are ready, start the next row, crocheting each chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Attach this chain to the top stitch on the left of petal. Three single crochets under the arch. 1, 2, 3. 3 chain and 1 double crochet into the third stitch. And 1 double crochet on the right of petal. Go to the arch, 3 single crochets, 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, attach on the left of petal, single crochet. Make 4 yarn around the hook, attach between petals, and making triple treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. go to the edge, 1, 2, 3 single crochets, 3 chain and 1 double crochet on the middle and 1 double crochet on the right of petal. The pattern is repeated. Go around the square. When you go around, the last edge is 2 chain and 1 double crochet on the left of petal. Begin the next row. 3 chain and 1 double crochet into the corner, gain 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and double crochet 5 cluster, poof into this middle edge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Crocheting together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chain, 1 double crochet into the corner edge, 1 and 1 double crochet into this edge, 2, 3 chain and 2 double crochets into this edge again, 1, 2, 5 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and double crochets 5 cluster, poof into the middle edge. The pattern is repeated. Go around the square. When you go around, 3 chain, attach to the 3rd stitch. Begin the next row. 3 chain and 1 double crochet into this corner edge, 1 double crochet under, 1 double crochet above the preview row and 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet above the preview row and 2 and 5 double crochets to this edge, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 double crochet above the poof and 5 double crochets to this big arch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 double crochets above this review row and 2 double crochets to the edge. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 2, 3, and 2 double crochets to this corner edge again. 1 and 2. The pattern is repeated. Go around the square. Your beautiful motif is ready. If you like my channel, subscribe, and I will be glad to likes and comments. So you can also share this video. Irina say goodbye to you. All the best. See you again. Bye.